Hi, this is Samuli Savo from Enfo. This is part of our digital innovation series. In the last clip I spoke to you about the blurring of industries, how digitalization is changing the way how the industries actually are addressed and whether your industry may be extinct in 5 years' time. But let's think about another thing. What kind of competition you're gonna get in the future? And I think Google is it's a prime example for many things, but let's think about in which kind of industries Google actually is. I mean, on top of this, we all know search engine and this kind of stuff. Actually, you can look for they are active player in a networking industry and in the telecommunication industry. They build up a huge telecommunication network using air balloons and everything like that. And that's actually one of their core businesses. So they are competing with the telecommunication. On top of that, they do automotive industry game. So they have a self-moving cars, self-driving cars. They are prime player on that industry, trying to change the way how the automotive industry is working. Well, they are also in a connected home. I mean, after Nest acquisition, they basically are there where your home is getting connected. If you want to connect your fridge or your television or your stereo or whatever, they are there. And I would believe that they are quite soon in the structures of the whole home connectivity as well. But then they actually are extending their business into totally new areas like life science. So I don't know, did you know, but they actually have a life science company who does very interesting products. As an example, they are doing contact lenses, and with this contact lens, if you have a diabetes, you can actually measure your glucose level. So you keep the contact lens, and that is measuring automatically your glucose level. And then they are also they are in a spoon industry. They do this kind of a clever smart spoons, so if you have Parkinson's disease, what's the problem? Your hand starts to shake. And actually they have a spoon that calibrates it back. So you can eat with Parkinson's disease because the spoon is automatically calibrating and keeping stable. So in the end, Google is in a spoon industry.